Hello friends, welcome to DIY Pandit YouTube channel. My name is Nikhil. Today I am going to show how to make
tumbler, stones, stones, sand, charcoal, mud glass, mud water, a tissue, plastic bottle, tissue, placing a tissue inside the bottle. Here I place the tissue inside the bottle. I am pouring the charcoal inside the bottle. Pouring the charcoal inside the bottle. You can see. You can see I put a charcoal inside the bottle. You can see I am sand and pouring inside the bottle. The sand. Now you should take a small stone and put inside the bottle. Then when the small stone fills, and you should take a big stone and pour into a bottle till the bottle stone full fills. A stone from the tray. See, I fill all the stone on the plastic bottle. Inside a plastic bottle, this full bottle into a glass tumbler, empty glass tumbler, and now you should put mud water inside the filter. Inside the filter. See, I pour mud water inside the filter. You can see the water droplet is coming out with pure water. You can see. Drops are coming down with pure water. See, drop came fast without filling pure water. You can see this is called water filter.
I hope you enjoy water filter working model. If you enjoy, please like my DIY Pandit YouTube channel. If you came to my channel for the first time, subscribe and click the bell icon for all our notifications when we publish all our videos, and share to all your friends. Bye.